Traders, investors, and peeps, what is going on? We are back in another one. Now, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Some people in the Discord really excited today. And oh my gosh, we're green 6%. Well, I mean, look where we're at. It's hard not to be when you're this far down. So what caused the move? What's been causing the moves? So this morning we got this lowball analyst price target of $20. It's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but it's a price target. You know, some stuff and things. So I'll take it. Also, another little catalyst maybe responsible for the pop. This right here. So this came out yesterday at 10 a.m. But anyways, it's an unusual options activity alert. It's bullish call with a strike of $19. Not crazy open interest or volume, but some stuff and things. I'll take it. How's this dumpster fire doing? Unbelievable. Someone explain this to me. How's a toy truck company voted the worst company by Yahoo? Nickel is the worst company of the year according to Yahoo Finance. So anyways, yeah, we got a little bit of news. We got some stuff. You know, we got the analyst price target. Got some options momentum. The volume is definitely ramped up. You can kind of see back over in here. Volume is fairly low. And it's definitely ramping up. So more eyes on it. More people, you know, loading the boat. Whatever you want to call it. So that's good at least. We got some volume increase going on. Short volume is really low, so that's good. We will see. Are they letting it naturally bleed out, or are the short sharks losing interest? Guess we can talk about FUBO. Good old FUBs broke out. FUBO got an upgrade today as well, $40 price target, and they have another analyst with a $36 price target. And they've had some pretty interesting news coming out, so they were due for another pop. You know, trading under these SMAs for a couple of days now. So I think getting our next run, we'll have to see. Got denied at the 30 there, the 31 rather. Took a small position in this at the end of the day. Hopefully it doesn't bite me. We'll see what happens. They had an analyst upgrade, where is it? This morning from $7 to $8, and they are currently trading for $3. And they popped like crazy this morning. And I was just kind of waiting all day for an opportunity. I picked up a little bit the 325 range because it looked like it was consolidating in here. But I just got a small fill and I loaded the boat at $3, or I think it was like almost $3. Missed that. But anyways, so we got some stuff and things. I'm swinging this in tomorrow or the next day. We'll see what happens there. We said FUBO this morning at 8 o'clock right before it ran. I actually didn't get back in until this morning. I should have been in, but I got in at 27 when it dipped. Also was saying this. Where's my team at? So at 9:45, I was talking about these guys. And at that point, they were starting to run a little bit. I probably should have bought this. But it was moving really aggressively, and I honestly didn't think it was going to keep going. I thought it was just going to spike, so I called it out as a scalp. And I ended up not playing it. I was just kind of in FUBO, and I was scoping this, waiting for it to come down so I could get in and swing it into the next day or two here. And this thing was just doing monster moves. I mean, you could have got like a, I don't know, this was before that time, but yeah, I mean, you could have got like a 65 fill and ran it up to $1. It's like a 50% run or something like that right there, so that's nice. But, you know, I get it. Not everyone likes the crazy plays. We have all the stuff and things. We got, you know, we got medium cap, decent companies that do stuff and things. We have people you've never heard of that are just the trendiest little guys in town. CWN, CLF. SUP has kind of been failing me. This was my steady Freddy for a little while. We'll have to see if this corrects. I don't really like it crossing that SMA right there, so we will see what happens. And we might as well touch on the swing. Had some people freaking out today, like, what's going on? So much for a tattooed chef. Well, I told you we're swingers, baby. We're not just gonna stay anywhere for any long period of time. This looks like it's trying to do some stuff and things, though. That's the sweet spot when you get all these coming together like that. So, you know, was in here a good day to get in? Man, you know, I kind of thought we might pop out of there. Probably could have waited, but I got a decent fill. And we talked about how our target fill for this was about 1934. That was like a 50% retracement. That's what it did last time. And we got right around in there somewhere. But this morning in the pre-market, it wasn't looking that great. It was okay. I took some profits, and then later on I got a notification on my phone that I got stopped out. Now, important things about stops. It doesn't have to be a stop loss, man. If you have a decent fill and you got a little bit of headroom, put your stop, make it a profit stop. Put your stop right above your fill. So ideally, you take profits, but more ideally, you don't lose money, right? So you'll get stopped out if you don't, close your trade quick enough and take profits, but then you're still green, you're still even on that trade, and then you can buy the dip. So if you're right and it keeps running, well, your stop won't trigger, and then you can really take profits. But if it starts to drop, and God forbid you're doing something you're not paying attention, well, you get stopped out above your fill, and then you're happy when you see it at 18.5 because you're like, oh, I was in at 19.5, glorious. I'll buy even more now. And you ride it up, baby. Okay? So, yes, just play the game and be careful. Always have stops set, all right? If you're playing one position only, then yeah, maybe you don't need to have stops. But it's always a good idea. I always have them set. It will save you a lot of heartache, I promise. Now, get in the Discord, man. We got all sorts of plays, and if you don't even want to find plays and you just want to talk about Neo, or you just want to talk about Neo, you want to talk about some stuff and some things, we got channels, man. We got channels for everything. There's people talking in here all day long about Hyliion, all the stuff and things. Got people in here you watch. So come one, come all. It's a good old time. We're making money, baby. We'd love to have you. But that is it. Hit the thing, do the stuff, follow me on the stuff and things, and yes, I will catch you in the next one.